Hey folks, Keith with 93 Lumber coming back at you with another beer. This is a very exciting beer. This is the first Brave Noise beer that I was able to obtain, and I wasn't even able to obtain it, but Shaun from Nerdsense sent it to me. It is Brave Noise Pale Ale, 4.5, I should say, percent ABV. And this is Trillium's. It's obviously a collab with Notch. Brewed and packaged by Trillium. A collaboration with a big goal, a safe and discrimination-free beer industry. Scan this QR code to see our code of conduct. I will hold it up, but I don't know. I don't know if that's going to focus, because sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. And I can't tell if it's centered, but I did my best. This was canned on 10/7/21. It is the day before Thanksgiving, so it's a month and a half old-ish, give or take. But yeah, so it's 10/1. 10/7. Yeah. So thank you, Shaun. I've been trying to find these, but it seems like there's no breweries around here that are doing them. Or at least I don't really do, or at least in the recent past, I don't really do the whole like driving around for beer thing as much as I used to. But yeah, that looks like some grapefruit juice or something. It's a light soft yellow color. I do get a shadow through it. The head dissipated kind of quickly. It was a bit soapy. Also, I don't think I think it's been a while since I had a Trillium beer, I think. Yeah, I think it's been a little bit. But, yeah, that's a soapy white head. Soapy. Yeah, let's see what it smells like. Yeah, it smells like grapefruit. A little bit of greenness in there. Almost. It's not hot burn, but it's for me it is getting close to that like harsh green. But yeah, citrus, leans grapefruit. There's other citrus in there, but the grapefruit is the big thing. So let's see what it tastes like. Cheers. It's very similar in the taste. You are getting, well, I shouldn't say more of the malt. You are getting a malt character in the taste as well. That was not in the nose. But yeah, leans grapefruit. Has that green, it's got a little bit of like a, I don't know if this was dry hopped or not, but usually dry hop beers give me like what I'm getting in this. It's a little bit of that like chalkiness. Yeah, this is really good. A little, I mean, it is a month and a half old and it's a pale ale, so maybe it's not quite where it was, but that greenness is just a touch bigger than I would like it to be, but who cares? This I'm absolutely maddened and frustrated by the fact that so many breweries that like participated in like the All Together and the Black is Beautiful and stuff like that have not picked this up. So that's frustrating. But what was I gonna say? Yeah, so whatever. This is gonna be the worst beer on the planet. It's not. Three Floyd's Secret Savages is the worst beer on the planet, as far as I've come across. But yeah, if you can get this, buy it. I'm not sure what it doesn't say on here whether, I'm pretty sure proceeds go to a certain thing. I don't know if it's like the Black is Beautiful where you get to choose where they go to or what or something. I don't know. I knew, but I haven't. I kind of gave up looking for these, and yeah, so that's it. So, if you can find it, you should pick it up. If you have some, you can send some to me, because I would like to try more of these. Yeah. So thank you, Shaun, for sending this to me. Super grateful and I was gonna say excited again to be able to try my first one of these. So so thank you, Shaun. And I hope you're all doing well out there. Taking care of yourselves, taking care of each other. You can like this video if you would like to. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. You can follow me on Instagram at 93lumber. That's spelled out, 93lumber. And see you in the next one. Cheers.